Hi guys, welcome to another video about the CyberLink PowerDirector and the fading, audio fading in, fading out. I have already made a video about manually fading out, and I thought it's the only way we can do that. I have never found a possibility to automatically fade out. I would usually expect that with a double click we can do all the things, but we can, it leads us just to this menu here with audio trim, or with right click also with, there is nothing, edit audio. I haven't really find something, so I thought, that's it, there is nothing more, and I always did it manually. So manually, if you want to know that, you have more options, of course, or you can adjust it the way you like it. You go, usually I go to the end. You have to click here, by the way, audio mixing room. You have to be in the audio mixing room. And I was always checking at the end, then going back maybe like 4 seconds or so, and then you have to go up. And here, I'm on the track number 3. I want to fade out track number 3, so we go to audio 3 and we hit this toggle here, and it creates a button here. Have you seen that? So that is needed to make like a breaking point then, and then we can go to the ends. It's a little bit slow at the moment, I don't know why, because I'm recording, but usually it's not the case. And here now we can use this toggle and pull it down, and you can see there is this fade out, and I can make the duration of the fade out as long as I want. I just need this breaking point. So let's go back and try to do this automatically. And I always thought it's not possible, but it's possible. I got a hint by a viewer. I think it's called, the channel is called Search Space, and I will definitely give credit to him. He helped me a lot. I'm using this option a lot, and I had to do this always manually. Now I'm able to do this automatically. This is really good, really nice. So he has also a great channel, and I will put down the link to his channel as a credit into the description, so just check it out. He has some nice videos. And so this is how we do this. Let's go to the end. We have, of course, to be like always somewhere where we are within the audio. We can't be with outside. So let's say we have this a little bit longer, and then we can go with this pointer outside, and as you can see, we can't do anything. So we have to be at least at the end or so. It's always a little bit difficult, but we can usually use this here. Next frame, we go right until we don't see this audio 3 anymore. We can click and do another click and do another click, and now it's gone. So we have to go one back. Now that's at the end of the audio. So how we do that now, instead of going back, setting a point and go here and pulling the decibel down, we can just click here. That's so easy. And as you can see, it just makes a fade out, and it really works. We can see that here, but there's no chance to set like options. Maybe we can set something in the main menu, like here on the top, user preferences. I don't know, probably not, but at least we get something, and it really works. I can hear that. It definitely works, no problem with that. Now I'm at the beginning, And the thing is, we can also use this wherever we want to have such an effect. We can not only do this at the very end, we can do this everywhere, and it creates some kind of audio ducking effect. Like if I click here, watch what happens here. The audio goes down a little bit and then goes up. So yeah, it is a little bit strange depending on where we are. It's a little bit different. So let's try this here. Yeah, so looks like it's not just going up and then down and then up again, but now here the up is really long. I mean, that's more than what we need for audio ducking. So when I see it here at the moment, I think it doesn't make any sense to use it somewhere in the middle. It just goes down and then up till the next point, and the next point is usually at the end. So it is a little bit silly, doesn't make any sense. Would have been nice to create some kind of audio ducking, but it looks like it doesn't work. But of course we can also use the same thing here. We can use this fade in as well. So we are in the middle, of course, doesn't make sense. We have to be, of course, at the beginning of the track, the very beginning, to use the fade in, as you can see here. But I've never seen that. That's really good, a really good point. Thank you so much, bro, for helping me out. Is a big relief for me, helps me a lot. I mean, it's always just a couple of seconds, but if you have to do this 100 times, yeah, it accumulates. So I really appreciate that input, and I hope I was able to help everyone now with this video. If you were looking for the same problem or a solution for this problem, and if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.